For over 35 years, 3D Collision Centers has been focused on driving the future of the collision repair industry. During that time, we have carried with us a vision for the body shop of the future. Today, that future has arrived. We have built our legacy of OEM correct repairs while maintaining a laser focus on customer satisfaction. But we could not have arrived at this moment without the continued support of our insurance partners. The repair facility you are about to tour was developed to support our clientele and our insurance partners equally, and to repair cars as efficiently, correctly, and cleanly as possible today and into the future. This is a facility that any insurance partner can be proud of, and one that they will be happy to refer their customers to. Today, it takes a factory environment to perform a factory-correct repair, and the timing is finally right to bring this facility to the marketplace. Let's take a look inside. Each customer entering the facility is greeted by a customer service representative who greets the customer, gathers all needed documentation, and pairs them with one of our repair consultants. While this is happening, we wash every car that comes in for drop-off, which allows us to properly assess the vehicle damages, including any damages that may be hidden under dirt or grime. We want the customer to be a part of the process so that they understand what is involved in their repair. Our repair consultants will take each customer to their vehicle in the check-in aisle, walk them through the damage, noting any pre-existing damages, and write a thorough blueprint of the repair. For convenience, we offer an on-site enterprise rental car desk within our spacious customer waiting area. The next step for the vehicle is blueprinting, which is a process of methodically disassembling a vehicle to write the most accurate estimate possible and ensures that all vehicles will be fixed as fast as possible and with strict adherence to OEM guidelines. Blueprinting is also the moment we compile the most up-to-the-minute repair plans and procedures from the manufacturer and get the team brought up to speed on that repair plan. Our blueprinting bays contain a 10-ton Flex 35 jig-fitted in-ground frame machine, allowing us to perform rough pulls to assess how much damage can be pulled and which parts need to be replaced. Here we also employ Car-O-Liner's electronic measuring system. In addition to a complete disassembly, we will bag and label all loose parts. From this stage, repair parts are ordered and prices are also verified. Moving on to the parts department, it is worth noting that as repair parts arrive, we do a complete visual mirroring where we match all new parts to the old parts to ensure that they match exactly. The time to catch parts ordering mistakes happens right here in blueprinting. If you look up, you will see our production office offering a 270-degree view of the shop. This allows our production department to keep eyes on all the vehicles in production to ensure that we meet every delivery date. Following completion of the blueprinting stage, the vehicle moves over to metal repair. The metal repair bays feature 2 Flex 35 frame machines and 2 Car-O-Liner frame machines utilizing a full complement of Car-O-Liner frame tools and OEM-specific fixtures. We perform all unibody, frame, and sheet metal repairs here. In addition to steel, we have 2 specific downdraft bays for repairing materials like aluminum. This facility is equipped to handle the increasing use of aluminum and other exotic metals in high volume. The next phase is the fix line, where all surface reconditioning takes place. This is the heart of the shop and showcases our rapid repair technologies. Beginning with our 3 fly-dry robotic heating elements, these revolutionary units can speed cure material in minutes, greatly reducing wait times. Cars move down the fixed line system on special in-ground dollies, eliminating the need to start and move vehicles, further reducing cycle times. Note the lack of dust in each refinishing bay and throughout the entire facility. All sanding equipment is connected to C-Max self-contained self-vacuuming sanders located at these power stations. Completed vehicles will continue to move down the conveyor system into the primer bays. Once inside the primer bays, 4 curtain walls drop from the ceiling while the booth begins to pressurize. Once the primer is sprayed, the robotic Easy Dry travels along the length of the vehicle, heating only the primed areas and curing the primer in minutes. The Easy Dry system is 7 times faster than a traditional electric infrared dryer. It can dry a surface 32 inches per minute. As an example, it can cure the length of a vehicle's door in less than 2 minutes. The next 3 stations are for paint prep, where the car is taped up and ready for paint. Next, the car continues down the line into the revolutionary Spraytron, where paint can be applied and cured in a matter of minutes. Next, the vehicle is clear-coated and moved into the Combitron, where, much like a microwave oven, we can cure clear coat in only a few minutes. The Combitron is unique to the market because it uses a chemical reaction within the paint molecules to cure the clear coat rather than the traditional method that requires heat and time to aid solvent release and curing. Once completed, the car continues down the fix line where we denib and polish the panel to ensure that the finish is 100% perfect. The vehicle then gets unmasked and enters reassembly. Finally, we reach the reassembly area where technicians will reinstall all parts and assemblies. Services such as wheel alignments and all electrical and safety systems are checked and recalibrated. Before returning to the customer, the vehicle gets a QC check, a road test when needed, and then enters the detailing bay one final time. Our facility has the capacity to process 120 cars a week, and we can handle your volume. Weather events are never a problem because our fully self-sufficient shop is equipped with a 600-amp diesel power station, a 100-ton AC unit, and gas heat which ensures a consistent 72-degree temperature throughout the shop and paint booths. We hope this tour was helpful, but to truly experience the collision repair facility of the future, you need to see it in person. We welcome visits from any and all insurance professionals and are happy to accommodate tours of the facility and answer any questions you may have. Please contact us at 484-362-6000.